Hey guys, this solid UFO evidence has emerged in India. Watch this first. I will show you the full footage in a minute, but just 2 days ago, on the 13th of December, people were celebrating this festival called Karthigai Deepam around the mountain of Tiruvannamalai. A very famous festival every year. There is a huge torch lit on top of the mountain. This is larger than a human and it's visible for many miles around. So people come here to watch and enjoy this huge light. So this guy filmed this accidentally. He was actually filming the torchlight and the Shiva temple nearby. Now that's a temple, but suddenly he sees this. In the background, you can listen to what they're saying in Tamil language. They're saying, what is that? They're just wondering what that is. Another guy is saying, zoom in. And here's where it gets really interesting. Watch how it moves and seemingly even bends. It moves very fast and changes direction quickly. So it cannot be a meteor or a comet or something like that. And it also cannot be an airplane. But you can argue that this is a drone. And recently there are lots of these mystery drone sightings in the US in many states like New York and New Jersey. So is it a mystery drone sighting in India? Now this is actually what I thought myself. I thought somebody is filming this giant torch and the temple using a drone. It would be a good view to film it from the drone, right? But watch what happens next, okay? The UFO just disappears. Now, let me slow it down. It's here now. And it's gone now. Now, the person holding the camera, most likely a phone camera, did a very bad job of filming this. He has shaked it a lot and even rotated it. But I think this is solid evidence of a UFO or UAP. In India, it's very hard to get such good footage of UFOs. I believe he did it only because he was filming this festival called Karthigai Deepam. Now, 2 disclaimers. One, the file name says 2021. So I'm wondering if it's an old footage shot 3 years ago. But even if it is, I think this is still good evidence. Second, it looks very credible and natural, but we don't know if it has been doctored or manipulated. But I would be surprised if this is fake. I think this is the best evidence of UFO sighted in India so far. But this raises some very interesting questions. Why are aliens coming to see a Shiva temple and the lamp or the torch on this Hindu festival? What's the connection? I showed you how alien temples are being built in India, and even Anunnaki worship has also started in India. So what's the connection between the growing trend of mystery drones, aliens, UFOs, Anunnaki, and ancient temples of India? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I am Praveenmohan. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.